Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to copy your profile link on Instagram on PC and laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to share your own profile, so let's see how can you copy your own profile link of your Instagram account. So you just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Instagram. Now on Instagram you might see the option of profile. Just click on profile option here, and then in front of your profile you'll see the option of this setting or the gear icon. You just have to click on this, and here you'll see the option of QR code. Just click on QR code, so you will get a QR code of your own profile. So you just have to simply you can download this QR code, or you can also take a screenshot of it. So instead of sharing your profile link, you can easily share this QR code to allow other or anyone else to join you on Instagram. So in this way, you can easily copy link of your profile, or you can easily get your profile QR code on Instagram on your PC on laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.